Hey, if you are brand new to Kajabi, you are probably trying to figure out which plan is right for you. What do you get with each plan? What does it cost? Is it a good deal? Well, I've gone through all the plans up to the Mac Daddy, the big plan, the Pro plan. We're going to dive into what you get with the Pro plan. This is going to apply to you if you already have your business going. Maybe you're moving a current online business over to Kajabi and you just know you need a hefty plan. This one is for you. So let's dive in. The Pro plan is $399 a month. That's a lot, but you get a lot with it. If you get billed annually, it's only $319. This is why I always tell people bill annually if you can. You get billed once a year and it's way cheaper, 20% cheaper, which is a good deal. Scale your business and team with advanced features. So what do you get with the Pro plan? 0% transaction fees. This is important because if you are on a Pro plan, my guess is that you are doing a lot of volume. You're making a lot of sales. The last thing you want is for Kajabi or whatever all-in-one online business solution that you choose, you don't want them taking a cut of every sale. This is how a lot of Kajabi's competitors are able to publicize really, really low prices and then take it on the other side, because the more you sell, the more they take. Kajabi does 0% transaction fees. You pay one payment and that's it, which is awesome. So you can sell as much, you are incentivized to sell as much as you can, never penalized for it. Unlimited landing pages, unlimited marketing emails. That's huge. You want to be able to send as much email as you want to your list without limits. 100 products. Now, what is a product on Kajabi? I'm going to dive into what is a product, because you have a ton of them, but a lot of people ask what constitutes a product on Kajabi. We'll dive into that in just a second. I want to mention, if you want to dive into Kajabi, use my link, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. You get 3 pretty awesome bonuses. First, you get a 30-day free trial, which is awesome. And you're going to get the Kajabi Accelerator course. This will help you completely set up Kajabi for success. Number 2, you're going to get the top 3 mistakes new Kajabi users make, the exclusive masterclass. I put this together after personally helping 400 people get onto Kajabi, and I started to see patterns, like what mistakes people were making and how they were making those mistakes, and then how to avoid them. So that's an awesome bonus. And then number 3, the 25K course launch email template. These are the exact emails that I used to launch my first course. Had a lot of success with that. 30-day free trial plus all those bonuses, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. Now, you get 100 products. What do you get for products? Well, products could be a course, could be a podcast, could be a community, could be coaching, could be a newsletter. So all of these are considered products. Now, when you have 100 of them, the sky is truly the limit. You could have like 15 courses on 15 different things. You could have a podcast. You could have 15 different communities if you wanted. You could have 20 different coaching packages, and we're up to 30 plus 20, that's 50, plus 1, that's 51. We're just barely over halfway through, and we have a lot of products already. You could have a newsletter. Now we're up to 52, and we are barely over half of the allotted amount, and we have a massive product suite. So just goes to show you have a lot of options to choose from when you are on the Pro plan. You also get 100 funnels. I always tell people you don't have to use Kajabi's funnels. You can build your own. But if you have 100, that's a lot. Funnel for everything you can imagine. Live webinar funnel, evergreen webinar funnel, a just welcome sequence funnel, and everything else in between. 20,000 active customers. This means you can have 20,000 people paying you, 20,000 paying customers before you're going to run out. 100,000 contacts, so up to 100,000 people on your email list before you're going to need to go to the enterprise plan, which we'll talk about in another video. So quite a bit, 100,000 contacts, 20,000 active customers, 3 websites. Really what this means is not just 3 websites, it's actually 3 individual Kajabi accounts, all under one login, but you can have completely different brands. And you're sharing the same suite of, the same limits, but it's across 2 or 3 websites. So you can have a lot of fun with that. Of course, you get unlimited landing pages on all of them. Kajabi AI features, which are second to none. They are very advanced. And Creator Studio. In addition to that, you also get advanced automations. This is like if-then automations. If customer takes X action, do Y result. So it's like if they subscribe to this, if they click on this email, subscribe them to this other email sequence. If they go to this landing page and they don't buy, then put them in the cart abandonment sequence. So advanced automations, affiliate program. This is awesome. The Kajabi affiliate program is great. And if you have a niche at all related to online business, I would highly recommend joining that. Custom branding. So you can set your own branding, get rid of the Kajabi, powered by Kajabi thing. 24/7 support, which is amazing. It's live. It is a person. It's awesome. And then custom code editor. This is where you can go in there and make whatever code changes that you want on whatever landing pages or products that you want. Kajabi opens that up and lets you do it. So that is the pro plan. And I think this is perfect if you are moving from a tech stack where you have different pieces of software running all kinds of different pieces of your business. This is how I was before I came to Kajabi, and maybe it adds up to a lot. Pro plan might be for you. And if you add up everything that you're spending on all those different pieces of software and the complexity that comes with it, you're probably going to find that the pro plan, even at $319 a month, is going to come under, it's going to be less than all of what you're paying, and it's going to simplify things in a massive way. So that is the pro plan. I'd love to see you on there. lanesebring.com/Kajabi. Join up there, and I can't wait to see what you do with your online business. Now, if you want to get a front row seat to what it looks like to build out a live cohort style online course, I made a playlist about this, doing this on Kajabi. You can check it out right here. I'll go in depth on every step of the way. So check it out right there in that playlist.